Hello, today I'm going to be reviewing my own design portfolio from 5 years ago. This is from the time when I started to get into design, when I was super newbie, and I haven't actually looked at this portfolio since a long time. So this will be as a little bit of a surprise for me as well because I have forgotten some elements, and you guys can see how my work was when I was starting out. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are on Behance. For some reason, it thinks that I'm hiring people. I'm not. So we'll head on to my page. And yeah, here is my design portfolio. Wow. So, first up, back at that time, I did not even know the slide size of the actual slide size of a presentation because I never used a presentation. So, this is actually an A4 size. Okay. So, you can just see how inexperienced I was. This 3D effect that you see right here, that is something cool that I found. I was quite excited to try that out, and I spent a lot of time procrastinating over the cover page because I just wanted to make something great, and I was somehow quite proud of this one. I don't know why now. Okay, so and I even included the date 2022. Now it's 2025, so 3 years ago. Oh, not that long ago. Then about me, hi, I am Mohammed Usman, a self-taught design student. In hi, why do I have that in blue? Anyways, sketches and digital art. Wow. Okay, I like those sketches. I remember using Viscom for this. So yeah, I was quite into car design and automotive design back then. Never imagined I would go into visual design. Oh yeah, these renders. Actually, about this car render, I put a picture of a Porsche icon and I just traced over it with the Photoshop brushes. So that was not actually by memory, but it was I was learning the tools. 3D art. Yeah, I was also quite a lot into Blender. Also, why do I see this annoying layout? Like some the round the corner. Okay, first up on this page, the radius of these boxes is different. I don't know why, but the smaller box over here has a lot more corner radius than the bigger ones. And why is this? Why do we have the small line running around? Okay, I clearly don't see the purpose of this car as well. Anyways, so I guess we are on the second chapter, which is chapter 2, 3D art and design. Clearly, first up, old Usman fix the hierarchy. It's difficult to read. Okay, also just yeah, fix the hierarchy. Also, the gradient behind does not look good. Product design, Shroom Light. Yeah, I made this on Blender and I was quite excited about the name. So I called it Shroom Light. And I even added some shadow. So first up, the layout needs work. The layout is not good at all. The product photography needs to be improved. And the contrast between the fonts. You need to pick colors whenever you're displaying your work, no matter how good your work is. In this case, the work is not as good, but you need to be able to present it well as well. Right now, in this example, it has not been displayed well, as you can see. I don't know how this landed me an internship. I mean, yeah, that I never ended up going to, but yeah, still. So the shadows, the colors, it's just a mess. Anyways, moving on, throwing axe. I just threw around projects without any explanation. Like, this is a shroom light. Here comes the throwing axe. I threw that on you. God knows why. And again, we have a clear lack of layout and hierarchy that needs to be worked upon. I like this throwing an axe, the contrast between the fonts. Throwing is has a regular weight, axe has a heavier weight. It suits the word throwing axe. I don't think it would suit it everything else the same way. Oh wow, that's auto. I decided to go German over here. One more thing, consistency. On this page, on the throwing axe page, you can see the numbering was on the right side. Why did the numbering go on the left side? You need to be consistent. Okay, I was quite excited about this project. I spent a lot of time on this. Damn. Yeah, so this was quite fun to make. And why is there this odd negative space on the left? I don't understand, bro. Fill that up. Use it. So please improve your layouts, Usman, old Usman. So yeah, I was quite excited about this tire as well. So I wanted to show that in the portfolio. But again, yeah, the layout is quite off. I don't know why is there this awkward negative space. The font over there is too small to be read. Please focus on that. Interiors. Okay. Now there are some more product showcases without any explanation of what tools you used, why you made it, what it is. Give some context, right? So, wow. Why did I even make this, man? Anyways, now we come on to graphic design, logo design. Damn, bro. That thing is first up the layout. It is too cluttered. There's a lot going on. I don't know which one is final design. There are no mock-ups to explain how it will look. Also, I do not even like the logo, the final design. So yeah, overall, 2 out of 10. Then practicing with mock briefs. Why is there so much text? No one is going to read all of that text. Also, that is not in a readable format. All of these logos, it just it's just too close, cluttered, bro. It's just too cluttered. Not does not work. 1 out of 10. Not even a one. That's quite bad. So make sure you present your work better. Now, see, once more, I switched to another project, which is a TEDx DITMS. Okay, okay, I did give some introduction over here. Lately, I've been working with a TEDx event, which will be happening on 1st August 2022. The following are some of the works I've produced while working for them. I didn't. I mean, I did produce the work, but they did not use this. Okay, so yeah, I was proud of these, but they did not use them. Especially this one, the whole X X in a hole kind of thing. I was quite happy about that. Direct the items, certificate of appreciation. Okay, is that all? And then we have something advertisement design, which why is there a drop shadow? Why is there this black dot over here? I don't understand the presentation, bro. And the portfolio is over. The blue dots are so annoying, man. I, I know why I had done that. I had just learned the school effect on Illustrator and I wanted to use that in my portfolio. But it was clearly not the best idea. So yeah, I'm really not proud of this portfolio, but this is when I did not have any teacher and I was completely self-taught. I even have had did not have much internet back then. So I guess that is the best I could do. But yeah, if I make a portfolio now, it would clearly be a lot better. So I hope you guys learn from my mistakes. Bye bye. See you all in the next one.